I've got some horrible hiccups. To get rid of hiccups, put 2 fingers right in front of your wrist crease and press down while you hold your breath for a few seconds. I'm trying to spy on my girlfriend and listen in on her, but I can't hear what she's saying to that dude. Try listening with your right ear and not your left. Your right ear is connected to the left side of your brain, which processes speech and language. Whenever I go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, I turn the light on, and then I can't see afterwards, and I stub my toe. Keep one eye closed while you turn the light on at night, and that way when the light turns off, open that eye, the pupil is still dilated, and you'll be able to see in the dark. Oh, I just ate some ice cream, and now I've got brain freeze. Try this. Press your tongue up to the roof of your mouth for several seconds. That will warm your soft palate and make your brain freeze go away.